Switching gears now to take you on a trip to a vibrant resort located in the province of Albay, offering activities, food, and views just waiting to be explored in the Philippines. Let's check out the Misibis Bay Resort.
Balitang America travels with MangoTours. Presyong sagad, tiket agad.
Countryside charm, and a wonderful seaside. When you visit the Philippine province of Albay, you're sure to find peace and relaxation on the shores of Misibis Bay Resort. It's a refreshing property filled with all kinds of sea-themed decorations and fun activities to try just within Manila's reach.
You just have to ride a plane, cruise for 45 minutes, and from here you'll take a scenic van ride from Legazpi all the way to the resort.
A new mid-rise structure is found at the shoreline, giving guests a spectacular look at the blue ocean. The interiors have a semi-modern vibe yet keep a rustic, nautical feel. Once your stomach starts rumbling, you can head to the Spice Market, a culinary paradise that surprises eaters with all kinds of dishes from breakfast to dinner. Expect a buffet spread that is sure to delight you, or a mix of local and foreign foods on the menu. When you're recharged, you can give the many available activities around the resort a try. Once you feel the need to escape the busy city, you can always count on Misibis Bay to give you what you need. Until next time, enjoy your travels.
For special packages, affordable airfare, and promos about this episode and more, call and book now with MangoTours at 1-866-2-MANILA. Travel consultants are standing by. MangoTours, presyong sagad, tiket agad.